everyone. Today on Hello Susan, we're going to make lace snippet borders. And what we're going to do is I've got some cardstock, and we're going to take bits and pieces of all these laces I have scattered around, and we're just going to create like a snippet roll, and then we're going to decorate it. And what I've done is I've gotten some pictures that I have printed down into the contact sheet size, so you get 35 images to a page, and they're just the right size. And I've already cut some out and got them inked up. So let me move that out of the way. And so we're going to go ahead and get started. So the first thing, I'm going to make two of them. I'm going to make one on camera and one off camera, because you know, after you see one, you really don't need to see another one. So the first thing I want to do is I want to get this little area covered right here so that it looks pretty. And let's do the same thing on the other end. So how is everyone today? I hope you're good. I've got a great announcement for the end of the video, so I hope you stay with me until the end. All right, let's go ahead and get that stuck down using Fabri-Tac. Now, of course, you could sew all this if you want to. I think it's a lot faster to do the Fabri-Tac, so that's what I'm going to do. Okay. And these are going to go on the edge of a journal page in my Blooming Iris journal that I'm working on. The double journal. Oh, is it turning out pretty? And when we get finished with this, I'm going to put it in the in the journal so you can see how pretty it's coming along. I've got this lace trim that's got flowers on it. So what I want to do is I just want to cut out a flower. And we're going to cut out two, one for the top and one for the bottom. I'm not trying to be too perfect, because you know, you kind of want it to be a little bit jagged. Okay, this one is kind of cut in half, so I'm not going to use that one. Let's get another one that's a whole one. So I'm so excited. My subscribers number is growing, so that means my channel is growing. So thanks for all of y'all watching and joining me. Okay, we can put this one out of the way for right now because we are done with that. Okay, so now I've got this piece, and it's got some Venice lace on the edge here, and I want to go ahead and just cut a chunk off. And I'm thinking that that will go across, and we can kind of put that here. It'll kind of build a foundation for us too. So let me do another one of those. Okay, and we'll put this one on the opposite side and bring it closer to the top like that. Okay, let's go ahead and put some glue on those. These add such a beautiful page. And you can put it on as a tuck spot or just glue it all the way down. I'm going to put mine as tuck spots, and that way if you want to use it for a tuck spot you can, and if you don't want to, you don't have to. Okay, so let's go ahead and move this one out of the way. Let's see what else I've got here. I've got this doily, which I'm not going to use any of that pink, but I do like the contrast of how this looks compared to what I've been using. So let me cut a couple of pieces of that. And that's what you want to kind of keep in mind when you're building this, is that You need to have things that kind of are different from each other, maybe different in color, different in texture. That way, nothing's going to look all exactly the same, and it's going to be very interesting looking. Okay, let's see how big we need this. This is already a ruffle. A little piece of lint there. Let's see, if we go across like that at an angle, that would be fun. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put that across that way. I think so. Or let's see if it would look better going this way. Oh, let's do it that way. I'll put it on the lace this time. There we go. Okay, let's put another one. Seems like I just like everything symmetrical. So we'll do this one and we'll go the other way. I don't think we need that big of a piece. Let's cut that down some. And we'll have pieces for something else. Let's do it maybe going this way. No, guess we better stick going this way. Okay, let's just do it right there. There's not going to be a right or a wrong way to do anything. Just whatever is pleasing to your eye. And no matter what you do, it's going to be beautiful because we're using lace. Okay. Now let's see what else we want to put on there. Let's go ahead and add these real quick. Well, here, let's add some of this lace. We've got a few holes we need to fill in. Let's put that right there. See how easy that is? Just cut a chunk and put it on. There you go. Okay, now we've got these two flowers that we've been working on. We've got these two pieces left to put on too. Let's put one right here because that would make some contrast. Oh, I guess I'll put it on the piece itself so I can see where to put the glue. Okay. Now we'll put this one up here a little bit. Let's see. Oh, maybe right in through there. I'm going to go underneath just a little bit of that. A little bit on my mat there. Okay, look how interesting that's looking. Okay, so look, so we've got a flower that's going to fill in that space. So let's go ahead and put that on. Such a quick project, but had such a big impact. Okay, and now let's put this one on. Make the leaves go the opposite direction. See, do I want it under the ruffle? Yeah, that's pretty. Well, I tell you what, when I show you the journal, the Blooming Iris journal, you're going to be surprised. It is getting pretty fat. I've put a lot of trims and things in there that just made it get very, very fluffy. Okay, so next I want to do is I want to take these pictures that I've picked out. This is a butterfly, this is a woman, and then here's some irises. So I'm going to go ahead and put the iris one on the top, and I think I'll put it kind of right there. I kind of like things not straight up and down, so I'm going to put mine at an angle. And I've already inked the edges, and I did use a tear ruler so that they wouldn't be so so straight. Okay, let's put that one right there. And then we'll split the difference with the woman. Put it about right here. That'll be good. So it just brings your eye down. And then we'll put the butterfly one, of course, down here. Okay. Right there. Okay, and I've got a few more pieces to put on. I've got a little bow that I want to go ahead and put at the top. And this is just a piece of lace where I tore the ruffle off, and then I kept the header. And now I'm turning that into a bow. So it seems like there's no trash. Okay, and I've got this applique flower. Let's put that someplace. Put that down here. We'll just kind of overlap both of those little pictures. And like I say, there's no right or wrong. Just do what you feel like you want to do. And I've got this other little applique that's been painted. The little flower in the center was painted. So I'm going to put that on. And we'll just put that on up here. And put it on at an angle. Like that. Okay, move all this out of the way. All right, so now we're gonna put it in the journal. So let me get the journal over here. Isn't that pretty? Y'all already saw the cover, but look. See, because there's a journal on both sides. Okay, let's move that out of the way for a second. I've got the page marked that I want to put it on. I'll get a little sneak peek. It's right here in the front. So you can kind of see how the journal is going. Here we go, right here. This is where I want to put it. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to put it on as a tuck spot. So I'm going to glue here, here, and here. Just 3 sides. Lift that lace up so I could see that edge. May have to do it from the back so I can see what I'm doing. There we go. Okay. And that is our lace snippet border. Don't you just love it? Okay, so I hope you're still here with me for my exciting announcement. I'm getting near 500 subscribers, so thank you so very much. And I'm going to have a giveaway. Now remember the weekly planner we did together with the Alter Dollar Store weekly planner? Well, this is going to be for one of the winners. And I do have a video about making the whole thing, so I'm not going to do a full flip through, but I'll go ahead and show you a little bit of it if you haven't seen it, if you're brand new to my channel. We added pages to the front and to the back and to the center, and we decorated them all up. There's a pocket in the center and a belly band. Anyway, so that's going to be the big giveaway. And then what else I'm going to give away is 5 Hello Susan digital journal kits. Now that'll be for 5 different winners, so each one will get 1 kit. And it'll be of your choice. I'll email it to you and you'll print it out. And all you have to do to enter is subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment on this video, and share any video of Hello Susan with a friend or on your social community. And that's it. And in about a week, I'll pick the winners and let everybody know. Thanks so much for joining me today. That's it for me. See you next time. Bye-bye.